What's up, you guys? My name is Chris and welcome to my brand new channel. We're very excited about the content that we're going to be putting on here. We're really going to be talking a lot about the rental business. I know specifically we are in the power sports rental business, but we're also going to be covering Airbnb properties, long-term rentals, be doing car rentals. So, like currently, we actually rent out a lot of the Polaris Slingshots. I've got some of the Can-Am Maverick X3s, which is like a side-by-side. I've got some of the Polaris Razors. We've also had some of the Kawasaki Teryx 4s. So I've really been down a long road with this, and I think I can really be helpful to you guys, especially if you're trying to get into the power sports rental business. We're going to be talking a lot about financials and stuff on this channel. We're going to be having a whole lot of fun. I'm going to be doing some reviews on some cars. A lot of the supercars that I personally own, as far as Lamborghinis, Ferraris. Going to be doing some on the Tesla Plaid. I've got some motorcycles and stuff that we're going to be doing some reviews on. So we're going to be having a lot of fun on here. But mostly, backtrack 5 or 6 years ago when I first got into the rental business, it was very, very difficult to find any kind of content out there whatsoever to help me. I didn't know where to get a contract. I didn't know where to obtain insurance. I probably made 150, 200 calls before I finally found somebody that would insure me on jet skis. That's how I got started in this. I went from 5 or 6 years ago scrapping cars to now what we own 4 multi-million-dollar businesses in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Our rentals specifically are street driven, are street legal. A lot of people, over in Arizona, for instance, they do a lot of the off-roading stuff. So, but I'm gonna be able to help you guys along the way with any type of rental that you guys have, and I have had a lot of experience at it. So, this is a brand new channel, guys, and to help our channel grow, would you please, consider liking and subscribing? Please consider commenting below. Let me know what kind of videos you guys need to see. I don't care a bit in the world to put any kind of video out there that you guys would want to see. So until next time, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch it, and we'll see you in the next video.